Are credit unions really not-for-profit cooperatives? Imagine a place where your money works for you, not for shareholders. That's what many people think of when they hear about credit unions. But are they really not-for-profit cooperatives? Let's find out. Credit unions are financial institutions owned and run by their members. When you join, you become part owner, which means you have a say in how things are run. Unlike banks that are owned by shareholders looking for profits, credit unions focus on serving their members first. They are structured as not-for-profit organizations. This means any money they make is used to benefit members through lower loan rates, higher savings interest, or better services. Membership is usually based on a common bond. That could be working for the same company, living in the same area, or belonging to a specific group or organization. Once you're a member, you can access services like savings accounts, loans, and checking accounts. These services are similar to what banks offer, but with a key difference. Credit unions reinvest their earnings into the community and their members, not into paying dividends to shareholders. Governance is another important part. Members elect a board of directors, and each member gets one vote, no matter how much money they have deposited. This keeps the focus on member needs rather than profit margins. Because they are not driven by profit, credit unions often provide lower interest rates on loans and higher returns on savings. They also tend to be more involved in community projects and financial education. Now, some might wonder if credit unions are truly not-for-profit. The answer is yes. They are legally organized as not-for-profit cooperatives. Any surplus money they earn is used to improve services or reduce fees. They do not distribute profits to shareholders because they don't have shareholders. Instead, they return value to their members. In contrast, banks are for-profit institutions owned by shareholders. Their goal is to make as much profit as possible, which can lead to higher fees and less favorable interest rates for customers. Credit unions, on the other hand, put members first, making them a unique and community-focused choice. So, to answer the question directly, yes, credit unions are indeed not-for-profit cooperatives. They are owned by their members, focused on serving those members, and reinvest their earnings into better services and community support. That's what makes them different from traditional banks and a good option for many people looking for a more personal and community-oriented banking experience.